Welcome back to Health Through History. Today we're exploring the fascinating history of the Mediterranean diet. From ancient times to its modern-day fame, we've got 10 intriguing facts that will make you appreciate this healthy lifestyle even more. Plus, we'll share 5 essential tips to help you get started and thrive on the Mediterranean diet. Let's dive in. Fact number 1. The Mediterranean diet is ancient. The Mediterranean diet's roots go back thousands of years to the diets of people living around the Mediterranean Sea. It was shaped by the availability of local seasonal foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, and olive oil. Fact number 2. It was popularized in the 1960s. The diet gained international recognition in the 1960s thanks to Dr. Ansel Keys, who conducted studies in Italy and Greece. His 7-country study showed that people in these regions had lower rates of heart disease compared to Americans. Fact number 3. Olives and olive oil are staples. Olive oil is the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, praised for its heart-healthy fats. It's been used for over 6,000 years, with evidence of olive cultivation found in ancient Minoan and Mycenaean civilizations. Fact number 4. The diet is rich in plant-based foods. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes a high intake of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. These plant-based foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Fact number 5. Seafood is a key component. Fish and seafood are a regular part of the Mediterranean diet, providing essential omega-3 fatty acids. Ancient Mediterranean cultures relied heavily on the sea for their protein. Fact number 6. Wine in moderation. The Mediterranean diet includes moderate wine consumption, particularly red wine, which is believed to have heart health benefits. It's typically enjoyed with meals, emphasizing balance and moderation. Fact number 7. Herbs and spices are essential. Instead of relying on salt, Mediterranean cooking uses a variety of herbs and spices to enhance flavors. Basil, oregano, garlic, and rosemary are just a few of the aromatic staples. Fact number 8. It's a social diet. Meals in Mediterranean cultures are often communal, emphasizing the social aspect of eating. Sharing food with family and friends is a key part of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Fact number 9. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. The Mediterranean diet is part of a broader lifestyle that includes physical activity, plenty of outdoor time, and a relaxed pace of life. It's about enjoying life and food together. Fact number 10. Modern science backs it up. Numerous studies have confirmed the health benefits of the Mediterranean diet, including reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. It's also associated with longevity and improved cognitive function. Now that you know the rich history of the Mediterranean diet, let's dive into 5 essential tips to help you start and succeed on this delicious and healthy lifestyle. Tip number 1. Load up on vegetables. Aim to fill half your plate with a variety of colorful vegetables. They're packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Tip number 2. Choose whole grains. Swap refined grains for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta. These provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Tip number 3. Incorporate healthy fats. Make olive oil your go-to cooking fat. Add nuts, seeds, and avocados to your meals for a boost of healthy fats that support heart health and keep you satisfied. Tip number 4. Enjoy fish and seafood. Aim to include fish or seafood in your diet at least twice a week. Opt for a variety of types like salmon, sardines, and trout to benefit from their omega-3 fatty acids. Tip number 5. Savor meals with family and friends. Make mealtime a social event. Take the time to enjoy your food, share stories, and create memories around the table. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about what you eat, but how you live. And here is a bonus tip. Experiment with herbs and spices. Replace salt with a variety of herbs and spices like basil, oregano, mint, and cinnamon. Not only do they enhance flavors, but they also add health benefits without the extra sodium.
Jay here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these fascinating facts and tips, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on health, diets, and everything in between. If you have any Mediterranean diet stories or questions, please share them in the comments below. Stay healthy, and see you next time.